Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to sign out of Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Whether you're switching accounts or just need a break from your files, signing out is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in the URL drive.google.com. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find your profile photo or an icon that represents your account. Click on this icon. If you haven't uploaded a profile picture, it might just show your initials in a colored circle. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you will see several options related to your account. Look for the option that says Sign Out. This is typically located towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Once you click Sign Out, you will be logged out of your Google Drive account. This means that all your files will be secured and no longer accessible until you log back in. If you want to sign in again later, simply return to drive.google.com and enter your credentials. It's worth noting that signing out of Google Drive also signs you out of other Google services in that browser session, such as Gmail and YouTube. So if you're using multiple accounts or sharing a computer, this is a good security measure. And there you have it. Signing out from Google Drive on your PC is just 4 simple steps. Open drive.google.com, click on your profile photo at the top right corner, select Sign Out, and you're done. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive and other tech-related content. Thanks for watching.